Hello guys, what we are given here is this is a question from 2015 net December exam. The question is that we have the ground state energy of the particle, okay, v of x, which is equal to v0 cos hyperbolic of x by L, where L is the, okay, there is some particle within the under the influence of some potential, um, some potential. It has some potential v or v0, and the potential has a length of L. Potential well has a length of L, and L and v0 are constants, okay, are constants. And what we need to find out is the ground state energy of the particle inside this well, okay, ground state energy of the particle inside this well. So in that potential v of x, it changes with the length from the origin, or some point you can take it as x0. It changes as the potential is changing as we go from one place to another by this equation v0 cos h hyperbolic x by L. It might look like something like this, okay, something like this or something like that, okay, it might look like that. So what we need to find out is the ground state energy. So ground state energy of a quantum mechanical system, which is E0, can be found out, or En, okay, En, to be more general, can be written as half plus n h cut omega, right? So for ground state energy n is equal to 0, you get half h cut omega. We don't know the value of omega, right? So what we need to find out is just the value of omega, and we can substitute back into this equation and we can find out which option is the right one. So basically what we can do is that we can write down the energy can be written as v of x plus half mv square, or you can write v of x plus half m omega square x square. You can write like that, and you can use this equation to find out omega. Well, how can we use that equation to find out omega? Okay, you can write down that v of x can be expanded as v0 into cos h of x by L can be written as 1 plus x square by 2, or x by L the whole square into 1 by 2 plus etc. Okay, it goes on. So we are going to take down the second terms. We are going to eliminate it up to the second term, and we are going to neglect all the other terms. We are approximating at the moment, and we can write down that v0 plus v0 by 2 x square by L square. Okay, this is somehow the equation looks like, so the potential looks like, so energy looks like, okay. So so this can be compared with the equation for energy equation, and we can say that this total energy of this particle will be equal to this. So as you compare these two equations of energy, you can see that v of x plus half m omega square x square, and here v0 plus half v0 plus this is not v of x, yes, this is v of x, yeah. So v of x plus half m omega square x, okay, this potential here is v0 because it's not changing, it's a constant. Energy will be a constant, so it will be a constant at the moment for the system at a particular point this energy will be conserved inside this well. Okay, so v0, this can be compared. This equation looks like v plus half m omega square x square. So v0 plus this can be compared. These two equations can be compared. How can we compare it? Well, we can say that this both has the term x square by L square half m omega square x square. So in this equation I'm going to take out half m and x square. Okay, I'm going to take it out. Okay, how can we do that? I can I can take out the half from here, and then there is a v0 remaining, and then x square is inside, which is taken outside, so x square goes out, and by L square is there, times I took out an m, which means I have to divide by an m. So this is what it is. So when you compare these two equations, you can see that v0 L square by m, v0 by L square m is equal to omega square. So omega is equal to root of v0 by L square m. So I got omega. Now I can go to the ground state energy equation, E0, which is equal to half h cut omega, and I can substitute that value here, and I will get half h cut into omega, which is root of V0 by L square m, which can L square can be taken outside also by, so you get 2L h cut by 2L by root of V0 by m. So that's the option, right? That's E0 right there. Now the total energy will be E is equal to total ground state energy of the particle will be V0, which is the V0, which will be the what V0 will be the potential plus h cut by 2L the root of V0 by m, right? So h cut by 2L and V0 by m. So the right option, which is option C, which is the right one. So this was very simple. You don't have to do much except for comparing equations, and all you need to know is to find out how to find out the ground state energy, and then compare with the equation to find omega, and then substitute the omega back into this equation. You get the solution, and there is a condition that they are given, but it's absolutely not necessarily useful at the moment. So it's a diversion. And if you see an option with V0, you are seeing an option with V0 inside all these solutions, and you are given the value of V0, then it's absolutely not necessary, because you have a V0 in these options, so you don't need to substitute the values for V0 here. So I hope you guys understood this very well, and for more videos you get to this link t.me. See you soon at physics. Okay.